From golden fields of corn to a smooth sip of American heritage, this is how premium bourbon is made inside a world-class Kentucky distillery. It starts with a precise mash bill, at least 51% corn, plus rye or wheat and malted barley. Master Distiller John oversees every batch.
This looks absolutely perfect.
The grains are milled, mixed with pure limestone water, and cooked in huge vats. The sweet mash moves to fermentation tanks, where specially selected yeast is added. This sour mash tradition ensures consistency. Over 3 to 5 days, it transforms into distiller's beer. The air fills with yeasty, sweet aromas as nature works its magic. The spirit is carefully separated, capturing only the purest white dog. This step concentrates the flavors that will define the bourbon. The clear spirit enters brand new charred white oak barrels. In these temperature-fluctuating rickhouses, it ages for years. The wood imparts vanilla, caramel, and spice, while the spirit breathes.
Thyme and oak are our secret ingredients.
After careful blending and chill filtration, it's bottled at the perfect proof. Cheers to tradition and innovation. This is what makes bourbon truly special. Subscribe for more.